In this video, I will show you how to take video screenshots in CapCut. Let's get started. Open CapCut. Open your project. Navigate to the timeline. Move the playhead to the exact frame you wish to capture. In the preview window, locate the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines at the top. Click on it. Select Export Still Frame. You will be prompted to name your file, choose a save location, and select the resolution and image format. Make your selection accordingly. Tick the box to import it back into your project. Click Export to save your screenshot. Currently, CapCut Mobile does not have a built-in feature specifically for taking screenshots like its desktop counterpart. Instead, you can use your device's screenshot function. Open your video project in CapCut. Scrub through the timeline to find the desired frame. Tap on the full screen icon to maximize your view. Now use your device's screenshot buttons. For Android, press power plus volume down. For iOS, press side button plus volume up. After capturing, you may need to crop the image to remove any UI elements like the play timeline.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.